Hey, Nandana here. I am a student and gravity is a field force. Published in 1687 by Isaac Newton, the law of gravity states that two objects attract each other with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the distance between their two centers. But there is something missing with that law. There is a constant missing, a gravitational constant. It was only until 1797 that the first experiment was conducted on finding this missing value.
Henry Cavendish, a British philosopher, scientist, chemist, and physicist, decided to tackle this problem. To conduct this experiment, he chose two known masses, mass 1, 0.73 kg with a diameter of 5.1 cm, mass 2, 158 kg, diameter 30 cm.
So the masses were known, right? And the radius, which is the distance between the two centers of the objects, were also known. He needed a way to measure the changes in the experiment.
For his experiment, Cavendish used a total of 4 masses, having 2 mass 1s and 2 mass 2s. Cavendish kept the mass 2 stationary. Cavendish connected the mass 1 to the other mass 1 with a steel rod, and then hanging them with a wire. From the side view, you can see that he has put a mirror on the wire. He knew the masses would attract each other, so he wanted to measure the angle and the time it took for those masses to attract each other.
What's one way that you could measure an angle so precise that even the smallest change in the experiment could be measured? Light. Light travels in straight lines, right? It's precise. Henry Cavendish used light to measure the angle at which the change was made in his experiment.
By using the light and the mirror, Henry Cavendish can now measure the angle at which the change had occurred. The whole experiment was being suspended in the air so as to stop interference from the Earth's gravity.
So how do we find this missing value?
By using the known formula, Fg equals m1 times m2 over r2, we can then find the missing variable.
Concluding this experiment, we have now found the gravitational constant, 6.67 times 10 to the power of negative 11. Please hit like, share, and subscribe for more explanations on simple experiments.